Let's continue our chapter 2, part 2. Sister Teresa came to Kolkata and worked in a hospital. She later became the headmistress of a well known school in Kolkata. Close to the school were the slums. The poor condition in which the people lived moved her. Together with some girls, she would visit the slums in the evening to help the poor in every way. Mother Teresa heard God's voice telling her to live with the poor. She wanted to leave the convent. It was not an easy thing. She had to wait for many years before she got permission to leave the convent. She started wearing a cheap white sari with a blue border. Soon she became a common figure in the slums and streets of Calcutta. Inspired by her love for the poor, a young Bengali girl joined her mission to improve the lot of the neglected and the poor. Sister Teresa came to Kolkata and worked in a hospital. She later became the headmistress of a school. And near to the school, there was a slum. And in the slum, people were living in a poor condition. And every day this sight moved Mother Teresa, and she used to visit the slum with some of the girls and try to help the poor people whatever possible way. And she heard the voice that live with the poor. So she wanted to leave the Loreto congregation. If she wanted to live with the poor, first she wanted to leave her congregation. But it was not an easy thing. So it took time. Later she got permission to leave the Loreto congregation and start to living with the poor. Thus, she started to live with the. She wore a simple white sari having a blue border, and this was the dress code of the sister. Many were inspired by the love and care of the poor people by Mother Teresa, and a Bengali girl joined her mission to help the poor. Though she was born in Yugoslavia, she adopted India as her country. She got many national and international awards for her good work for the poor around the world. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize 1979 and Bharat Ratna 1980. She also received Pope John XXIII Peace Prize 1971 and India's Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding 1972. On 5th September 1997, Mother Teresa died of a heart attack. It was a great loss felt worldwide. Mother Teresa shall always be remembered for her loving kindness and charity. Mother Teresa was born in Yugoslavia. Though she was born in Yugoslavia, she adopted India as her mother country. She got many national and international awards for her good work for the poor around the world. Mother received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and Bharat Ratna in 1980. She also received Pope John XXIII Peace Prize in 1971 and India's Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding in 1972. Mother Teresa died on 5th September 1997 due to heart attack. It was the great loss felt the entire world, and she will be remembered for the humanity remarks and the love service of the mankind. She served the poor. So, mother was the great inspiration for many, and many of the people joined her congregation and saved the poor and the needy. So, children, I hope you all understand the chapter. Read it 2 3 times and learn the new words. I am giving word power, fill in the blanks, and question answers for you. Try to understand and learn it. Try to understand the chapter, read it 2 3 times, and learn it. Thank you. Be safe. God bless you. Thank you, students. Take care.